Alright guys, I'm making another music video. It's going to be called The Wolf. I've been working really hard. This time it's not going to be cringy, hopefully. Do you? I've been working on it. I don't know how it's long going to take me. I'm just staring at the timer and stuff, because why not? I mean, really. Nicole? Go. What? Can you help me? What? And why did your voice crack? What do you want? Can you help me with cookies? No, you sound like a baby when you talked. Oh, sorry, I'm Kawaii-chan. Because Kawaii-chan's awesome. Shut up, Kawaii-chan. Alright, so I am going to kind of show you the words. You can try and figure out the singing, but I'm doing the words. Let me just take this off the charger. I don't care if you're going to be low. And that's as far as I got. But I don't know what else to add, people. I've been trying to think of many things. If you want me to sing it to you, you have to wait. Because I have to practice, finish the song and stuff. And I also have to make more videos to keep you guys satisfied. Kawaii-chan, I'll make cookies with you later. Just not now, alright? Alright, Nicole, Sama. Why are you saying that just now? Nah. Feel like you need to be on camera. Oh my god, Kawaii-chan. Alright, we're gonna end off with Caitlin. Caitlin, what? Get up. Oh, why? We're about to do the outro. Oh, the outro. I haven't done an outro in a bit. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching this sneak peek of what's going to be happening in a couple days. Thank you. I'm going to turn Magic Mondays into Music Mondays if we barely get any comments. Alright? So you better be awesome. Keep it in mind. Tip tip to the morning to ya. I think I'm wearing my hat backwards, but see you later. Bye. I'm tired. Oh my god.